Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
U MLA ka BJP uba AL hek menta ka sngi ula kentat ban keren Shai Halor ki Kubor ibra sapriang bakadon ka jingkwa bujri no yo president jong kani ka seng uba Ernest Mauri. Haba keren chikilat pathai Kubor uba hek ulo ong babaro kinong yalam bat nongkit kam ka BJP kia lang bat kam dan satya ka nuga jing hapo ka seng. Haba keli lau dawa ni yau ba Mauri bo un beteng kum presiden kaseng uba hek ulo ong babaro kia lang hapo kaseng ban pentik na baya ka sarkar bathamai ho usnam arajar arpulai anya lamhi da ka BJP.
Assistant Secretary of HYNL told about the casino. Then I told that since we are celebrating the 58 years of the statehood, instead of casino, they should give a big stadium for the Rivoy district. Since the Rivoy district is the aspirational district. Okay.
Can you tell us about what is going on in the party? There is a demand for change of leadership.
What is going on? See, party, so many party people are here. I am also in the party office. Everybody in the party office. Everybody were working with the party. Anything problem with the party, there's no problem. Okay.
What about the demand for change of party leadership?
No, we don't know about this. See, we are all working here, all as a BJP, as one, united, as a strong party workers.
What if the central leadership offers MLA or control as
We are all Karyagata, we are working for the party, we will continue to work for the party. That's all, we are all Karyagata.
So you want the present state party president to continue as?
See, we are all working here together. Yeah, why? We are working. Everybody is working. See, all our BJP here. See, full houses outside also. So many BJP. We are one, and we are working for the party and ensure 2023 will be a BJP-led government. That's all only I know. Thank you very much.
So one more.
That's enough for today.